Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Carbon fiber is a thing of beauty when done right, and the folks at APR know a thing or two about carbon fiber. They also know the underhood appearance of your Camaro can go just as far as the exterior appearance. So that is why they have created their engine cover components to accessorize the underhood of your 2016 to 2020 Camaro SS. These covers are created out of a prepaid carbon with a fade-resistant clear coat to help keep the shine while having to deal with the underhood temperatures. Their vacuum bag construction allows these covers to be sturdy while also being lightweight. Now this is the full engine cover package, but they are also available separately as the plenum cover and the fuel rail covers, if you are just looking for those items to complete the underhood look. Installing these covers is only going to take a few minutes since they will simply replace the factory covers. For the installation, we are simply going to remove the factory covers. Pull up on the top side of the fuel rail cover and slide them out of the retaining tabs. With the center plenum cover, open the fuel line clips and remove the fuel line. Then we are going to remove the four 10mm studs holding the factory cover in place. Remove the harness retaining clips using a trim tool. There will be 4 on each side of the cover. Disconnect the sensor harness on the driver's side. With the harness aside, now we can remove the plenum cover from the factory location. With the factory covers aside, we can swap the factory grommets over to the APR covers. Using a small flat blade screwdriver could help with the removal. Going back together will be reverse order of removing the factory components. Install the plenum cover and use the 4 studs to hold it in place while reinstalling the harness. Then tighten down the studs back into location. finally install the fuel rail covers to finish the installation. There you have it, guys. After a quick wipe down, we can sit back and take a look at these engine covers shine, giving the underhood a fresh new appearance. We can also rest easy knowing that these covers are protected from a fade-resistant clear coat for a long-lasting finish. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.